Welcome to the Believe and Build channel. Today you will see the entire process of building a wooden house frame from scratch. I will show you every step, from laying the foundation to erecting the roof structure, measuring and cutting the necessary timber to install the beams on the foundation pillars. I am maintaining the precision of the joints while placing the beams on the pillars. I am setting the wooden supports one by applying glue or foam to the beams. I am creating the entire frame structure by connecting the seams to each other. I am cutting each joint of the wood perfectly with the help of an electric saw. To increase the stability of the structure, I drill and tighten each joint with screws. I am repeatedly checking with a level to see if the surface above the beams is even. I am using additional support blocks to strengthen the corners of the frame. After the frame is properly set, I install the inner support beams. I am laying down the netting or mesh covering for the upper surface of the structure. I'm stretching a waterproof membrane or plastic sheet over the entire structure. I carefully tighten the sheet, making sure it doesn't tear anywhere. I am arranging the long pieces of wood one by one on the frame. I attach each piece of wood to the main frame with screws, maintaining the correct gap between them. slowly lifting the wooden frame to raise the wall. I am placing the wall frames one by one in specific places. I'm permanently screwing the walls together so they don't move. Next, I'm getting ready to lift the roof frames or trusses up. I carefully lift each part of the roof up and attach it to the frame. While installing the trusses, I'm measuring to make sure all the angles are correct. I am drilling and fixing the support beams to strengthen the upper part of the roof. I am finishing the joints on the roof so that there are no gaps. Once the roof trusses are installed, I'm laying waterproof sheets there. I'm holding the sheets tightly so they don't move in the wind. I am starting to install OSB boards, or plywood for the exterior walls of the house. I'm cutting and fitting the boards, keeping the window parts in place. Finally, we are doing a final check of the entire structure, from the top of the board to the roof. This is how our project is progressing successfully today. You have seen how to complete each step in an orderly manner. You can tell us which part of this whole process you like the most in the comment box. Stay tuned by subscribing to our channel to see more new construction works in the future.